How to use multiple Telegram accounts on one iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the Telegram application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Telegram chats list. Here, you can view all your chats on Telegram. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. You can view and manage your profile settings from here. Then, tap on Add another account. Over here, confirm your country code and enter your phone number. After that, tap on Continue below. You can connect multiple accounts with different phone numbers. Following these steps, you can easily use multiple Telegram accounts on one iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.